You can hear me. I said turtle.
Ayan o. Laki na ng mga ano nito, mga kuya.
Turtle.
Saka iba-ibang klaseng isda dito. Mayroon mga ano. Tilapia. Di ba oh? Tilapia oh. Yan oh. Tilapia. Yan. Tapos
Shallot.
may pagong oh. Tingnan mo pagong.
Shallot.
Pagong. Yan.
Tilapia ba yan?
Tilapia oh. Tilapia. Ang sarap prito yun ah. Charlotte, don't touch that one. Don't touch
If
that one.
you're gonna get into the hospital later, I will never go and see you there. I'll wait until you go out. You are not allowed to touch that, remember? 1,000 times.
My dream thing is to pet a cat.
Pet a cat, but when you get allergy,
Can I laugh at them and look at them? She was yelling at me.
yeah, you're meowing because she needs food.
Yawing. Itong mga kalabaw. Kalabaw.
Look at this GoPro.
Kalabaw.
I think so.
Daan pa tayo rito, hindi na? Oh, miss.
H&M? Let's go H&M.
Saan?
Tapos sabihan natin si Nelson na
Eh, misis mo lang sir, dito may ikot na lang tayo. Kung saan na tayo? Saan tayo? Kaya nga. Ito ang Greenbelt.
I
Green
just wish I
belt.
could pet a cat, but I cannot.
Yan, ito guys, yung ginawa namin dati.
Ang ganda pala dito. Thank
Ayan,
you.
puro bakal to. Ito, kami tinira namin ng panggabi ito.
Thank you for taking us here. Kasi hindi ko alam na ganda pala yung street.
Tapos tagusan doon, tulayan doon sa kabilang building sa
I'm sad.
Pasay, ano,
I'm sad.
puntang Makati. Pati yun oh. Ay, ayun oh, ginawa na. Kami gumawa lahat yan dyan.
Daddy,
Pati lang mo.
you cannot do anything with the cat now.